Hi, Kia ora. My name is Moi. I am from Zimbabwe. My role at Waste Management involves servicing, repairing of equipment and making sure that it runs reliably and smoothly. 6 years ago, I joined the Technical Services Division, bringing my skill and my expertise to the team. So what led me to join Waste Management was the reputation that it has, and it is a reputable company that manages waste. The thing I enjoy most about the job is that I'm able to fix and repair machinery so that production can keep going for the company, which is important. At Waste Management, we have a multinational, multicultural workforce. The people are helpful, they're polite, and they're willing to see you progress, which means the company progresses. The opportunities that lie within the business is that you're able to grow, hone your skills through training, through courses, and through development. The advice I would give to someone wanting to start a career with us is, Harimai, come, you won't regret it.